very important instrument aspect of survey field, that is total station, right? Total station is a combination of two instruments. One is EDM and another is electronic theodolite. What is EDM? EDM is electronic distance measurement. By this EDM instrument, we can only determine the horizontal distance, not more than that. And by electronic theodolite, in case of theodolite, you can say, sir, we have an electronic theodolite, we have EDM, but why do we need total station? But in case of electronic theodolite, we can just measure the vertical height, horizontal height, not more than that thing. And in case of EDM, we can just measure the horizontal distance only, not more than that. But in the total station, but with the total station, we can measure everything. Everything means we can measure horizontal distance, we can measure vertical distance, we can measure height, we can measure vertical angle, we can measure horizontal angle, we can range a line, we can set up a line, we can do topographical survey. In case of and we also do stakeout, which is very essential in case of any building project or any bridge project or any road project also. In case of total station, one mode is we are doing work with total station in two modes. One is a prism mode or target mode, and another is non-prism mode, that is direct ranging mode. We are using total station over here, that is Trimble M3 DR2 second. We have three types of total station, that is of 1 second, 2 second, and 3 second, which we are using. These three types of total station are using in the survey field right now. And one more thing you have to know, we can recognize 2 second and 3 second total station and differentiate 1 second total station by their process of centering. When we are doing centering of 2 second and 3 second total station, we are doing laser centering. And when we are doing by our eye, that is of 1 second total station. ES is of two types. One is DOS based and one is Windows based. Right now Windows based total station are used at a field, and we are using over here the Windows based total station. And after this Windows based total station, right now one total station will come in the market, that is scanner total station or scanner TS. In that total station, we can get the three-dimensional view of anything. But in case of this total station, we get only two-dimensional view. Okay. In case of centering and leveling process of total station, we have we have a tilting purpose or electronic level over here. In case of horizontal part, this horizontal part is known as Trunnion, and the vertical part is known as sighting. Okay. We have a total station that prism range is 1.5 kilometer. That is the range of target mode. And in case of direct ranging mode, we have a range of 500 meter. Okay. Why the direct ranging mode is less? Because in case of direct ranging, the way we are using or the laser we are using, that is of class 3R laser. That is very harmful for any human being. Okay. If it is, it will come to our skin. It will we have some skin problem. So we have this range very short, and we are doing resection work also with total station. All of you know about resection in case of plane table survey. We all of you know this thing. What is resection? Resection is a part, or resection is a thing by which we can fix a point, or we can fix a permanent point by two inaccessible point. Okay, we are using total station for doing the resection work also. We can make the curve also with the total station.